everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my camper. I'm just hanging out here today and got this, and I figured I would take a look at it and see how good it is. And what it is it's the Hoppler wax seal stamp, and so it's kind of cool. And it's a little kit, it comes with it. Problem is, it didn't come with any wax, but we're going to take a look at it anyways. If you've used any hot wax stuff before, you kind of have an idea how it works. I mean, I've played around with these types of things before, with just melting like a candle kind of thing, or you get when you have a candle that's kind of melted and it's got all that goop inside of it, you can kind of pour it out and like put it on a letter or something like that, make it kind of classy, and that's how you seal it with this. But let's check it out and see what kind of stamps we get inside of this one here. You can kind of see it's got a picture of them on the front. But let's see how they look and see what kind of durability this thing has. So it comes with this stamper here. It's hard to do while I'm holding it up, but you get an idea. So this is the stamper holder thingy, and then there's the tip for it. Let's take a look and see how good this quality is on everything. So clearly it unscrews, and so this is the stamper piece, and it looks like, I'm guessing it's plastic. I don't know. Might be wood, might be plastic, hard to know. And then this is like one of the stamps here, so you can kind of see this one is what is it? It's a butterfly, I guess. So you can see there's a butterfly for it. So, and then it just easily screws on. But let's take a look at some of the other ones, since that one we've already seen. So this one here has a little pattern to it, so that's kind of cool. And I don't even know what this one is. It almost looks like it says something, but it's hard to know. Gonna be a weird looking one. What's the picture on there? Oh, I guess that's this one here with the little moon and stars. Moon, maybe? I don't know. This one here's sweet looking. It's like a little tree. Oh no, it's a dandelion with it blowing. So that's what that one's gonna look like when we stamp that. I wish I had some wax. I just don't even have any wax here at the campground. And then this one here's a little feather. So that's gonna be the feather right there. And this one here is, this flower here with all the stuff going on it. So I'm thinking these are gonna be pretty accurate as far as what they are. Looks pretty good. I mean, they're solid. They're definitely brass. So so as soon as you put it into the wax, it's gonna cool it down and make that impression and stay really good on there. It seems this nice and rough in here, but once you get it down there, it should be good. So, I mean, I haven't had a chance to use it, and hopefully I'll get to before I post this video, and I can post some pictures of it. But I just don't even have any candles anywhere around here, and I'm out in the campground in the middle of nowhere. So hard to know. I did get something delivered, so maybe I'll even order some from Amazon, because I do get Amazon deliveries out here in the middle of nowhere. But these are really cool. So definitely a thumbs up from me. I like this thing. And it seems they're really nice and heavy. I mean, the handle's super light. That's why I thought maybe it was plastic, but I guess it's some kind of wood, or maybe it's plastic, who knows. But it's gonna make a nice little stamp impression. And it came with whatever it was, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. And it's got a nice little case. You can see it's actually a little velvet case, so you can store them in here and it'll look nice and pretty and stuff. Although I guess when it's stored, you can kind of see them in there if you look at an angle. I don't know if you can see which one's which. Take it out, and then I guess you have to store one of them attached. So just screw that one back in. It's a nice little convenient storage box, so it doesn't really take up too much space either. So if you like doing stamping of stuff, I mean, no easier way than just having a little box like this and just pull it out whenever you want to do something fancy. So it's totally convenient. I like the box. The box is super thick, so nice little storage box for it. So definitely like it. Thumbs up from me. I'll post in the comments if there's any issues with it or anything like that, or I probably won't even post it if it sucks, but I expect it to be good. And I'm gonna put a link to it in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back with some other reviews as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.